Hey, hello, and welcome. I'm Laura, and today I want to bring to you a really fun feature in Canva, AI video effects. These are really good fun. I could see you playing with these and posting them all over social media. So I'm going to go straight over. I'm going to show you exactly what they are and how to use them. Okay, so here we are on my Canva account, and the first thing I'm going to do is click on the template menu on the left-hand side, and this opens up all of the templates from within Canva. Now, if you scroll down, you'll see the new Disney Pixar Toy Story collection has come to Canva. We're not going to stop there, but I just wanted to mention it because they are amazing templates. If you carry on scrolling down, you will come to this section here, Meet AI Video Effects. These are new in Canva and they are so much fun. You can see as I hover over them, they start to play. They are tiny short clips of videos that you can create yourself. So these are really good fun. I'm going to click on the felt doll one because I just think it's so cute, and I'm going to show you how you can actually create these yourself. So I'm going to click on the video and I want to add an image. So it's asking me over here on the right hand side to add an image. It opens up my images that I've already got uploaded into Canva. I'm just going to select one I have of me here, and it is now going to create the video itself. So that's all. It may take a couple of minutes for actually to run through it, but that is all you need to do before you get this amazing video. And here we have this really cute fun felt doll video. I'll click play and it just moves for you. Not a huge amount of movement, but I don't think you need a lot in this. But isn't this fun? And you can now open this in the editor if you want to add some information to it. Maybe you want to use this for your business or use this for just a fun social post. You can open it in the editor and use it as a normal Canva template with this video embedded, or you can click download and you can download the video straight away and it will just download it to your device. If you're not keen on this, if you'd like something maybe a little different, you can click generate again and Canva will regenerate for you in a slightly different way. What I want to do is just pick another one because I know football is huge at the moment with the World Cup. So obviously we have to have a football one in here. I've selected the Canva football guy. I'm going to click add image. I'm going to go with me again and I'm going to click generate with AI and let's see what it actually does to me and this football image. Okay, so here we go. My stadium start is ready. I'm going to click play. I love that. It's a great thing to do and it's so quick and so easy. So I would love to see yours on Facebook, on LinkedIn, on your socials. Create your fun soccer person, your fun Canva football person, and get it posted to your social media. There we go. Super fun, super quick, but amazing for social media. It's going to create some great content. I want to see it out there. I want to see you posting about it. So I'm Laura. I am a Canva certified community trainer, and I love bringing different videos to you, all based on Canva. So please do come and follow my channel so you get access and notifications for everything going forwards. Bye.